Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use circle to search Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So let's first open settings, scroll down, click on to display, scroll down, find here to navigation bar. Alright, just open and make sure to turn on this option. I'm already turned on this option. So when select this, just long press then open, or when you use this, just long press then open this. Okay, long press and select, and automatically find result and then automatically get result. So that's how you can easily use this feature.